dear students, hope you all are fine. Today we will start with first unit of paper A, that is under which the first animal is amoeba. So the species that we will study is Proteus. So name of genus always starts with capital letter, name of species always starts with small letter, and genus and species they are underlined separately. Now the first question that arises is why we have selected amoeba to study kingdom Protista. The reasons are it is relatively large in size. बाकी प्रोटोजोन्स तो ਇਹਦਾ साइज थोड़ा बड़ा ਹੁੰਦਾ. Its structure and mode of life is very simple and it's well known and its culture is easy to prepare. Now what is the habitat of amoeba? Habitat means where it lives. It lives in the fresh water of ponds and streams which is rich in decaying organic matter. ਗਲਿਆ ਸੜਿਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਲਾਂਟ ਤੇ ਐਨੀਮਲ ਓਰੀਜਨ ਦਾ ਮੈਟਰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਹਿਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈ ਟੋਬਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਵਾ. What are the habits of amoeba? It is free living, it is solitary. Solitary means it lives alone. It does not live in groups. It shows non-stop irregular movements. It is omnivorous in diet, means it feeds on everything, maybe of plant origin or of animal origin. It prefers dim light. It does not form gametes, hence it has asexual reproduction. During unfavorable period means मान लो टोबे सुक गए, पानी खत्म हो गया ਤਾਂ ਅਮੀਬਾ ਕੀ ਕਰਦਾ, ਅਮੀਬਾ ਆਪਣੀ ਬੋਡੀ ਨੂੰ ਰਾਊਂਡ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦਾ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ ਇੱਕ ਥਿਕ ਕਵਰਿੰਗ ਬਣਾ ਲੈਂਦਾ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ, ਸਿਸਟ. So it forms cyst in unfavorable period. It has a very good power of regeneration. Regeneration means ability to regrow lost parts of the body. Amoeba is immortal, means it never dies. Now how culture of amoeba can be prepared? We will take some hay. Hay means tudi or dry leaves, sukke patte. We will dissolve them in water and we will take this water in a petri dish. एक petri dish 'ਚ ਪਾਣੀ ਲੈ ਲਿਆ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਥੋੜੀ ਤੂੜੀ ਜਾਂ ਸੁੱਕੇ ਪੱਤੇ ਮਿਕਸ ਕਰ ਲਏ. This petri dish is kept uncovered in a warm airy room. We require airy room. ਬੰਦ ਕਮਰੇ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਹਵਾ ਦੀ ਸਰਕੂਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ, ਹਵਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੈਕਟੀਰੀਆ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਣੇ ਆ, ਹਵਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਿਸਟ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਣੀ ਆ. ਸੋ ਹਵਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਮਾਈਕਰੋ ਆਰਗੈਨਿਜ਼ਮਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ. ਸੋ decaying bacteria they will appear in the culture, they will start decomposing the organic matter. Then cysts of amoeba which are present in the air, they will also settle in the culture and they will break. So these cysts they will release tiny amoeba. So tiny amoeba will be released from the cyst as there is plenty of food. So this tiny amoeba will grow in size and it will start multiplying. So within 2-3 days large number of amoeba will be formed क्योंकि binary fission राही इन्हें divide करना and one binary fission takes about 30 minutes. So in 2 to 3 days there will be large number of amoeba in the culture. We will simply take a drop of this culture and we will observe it under microscope. Then you can see small amoeba in under microscope. So this is a simple method to culture amoeba. Now we will study what is the structure of amoeba, morphology of amoeba. Amoeba is about 0.25 to 0.6 millimeter in size and it is slightly grayish in color. It has irregular body. Basically it is a mass of cytoplasm containing nucleus which is covered by means of plasma membrane. So mainly ਇਹਦੇ ਤਿੰਨ components ਨੇ, nucleus, cytoplasm and plasma membrane. So this is the whole mass of amoeba. Whole mass means ਜਿਵੇਂ ਪੂਰੇ ਦਾ ਪੂਰਾ animal ਅਸੀਂ light microscope ਰੱਖੇ ਨੀਚੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ, then we can see this structure. And lower diagram is a part of amoeba under electron microscope. So basically ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ pseudopodium ਦਾ part ਲਿਆ ਵਾ ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ electron microscope ਦੇ ਨੀਚੇ study ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ. Now the first component is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is thin, it is elastic and it has a very good power of regeneration. So this plasma membrane, it helps to give shape to the animal. It helps in the exchange of materials between the inside of the animal and the external medium. Materials ਦੀ exchange ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਦਦ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸਾਰੇ materials ਦੀ exchange plasma membrane ਦੇ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਹੀ ਹੋਣੀ ਆ. But if you observe it under microscope, electron microscope, you can say plasma membrane is not smooth. It has very fine processes. ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ hair ਵਰਗੇ processes ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ, they are known as microvilli. So under electron microscope you can see that plasma membrane bears very fine processes which are known as microvilli. So within the plasma membrane देर आर एरोहेड की इंडीकेट कर रहा है कि अमीबा इधर नूं क्रीप कर रहा, सो जिस साइड नूं क्रीप करूगा उस साइड ही सीडोपोडिया बनणगे, फिंगर लाइक प्रोजैक्शंस. So it is irregular in shape due to the presence of finger-like projections known as the pseudopodia. Then plasma membrane encloses a mass of cytoplasm. This cytoplasm is divisible into two layers. Outer layer is known as ectoplasm. Inner mass is known as endoplasm. So here again we have shown this is the ectoplasm. Inner mass is the endoplasm. Ectoplasm is thin. It is clear. It is transparent. And it is relatively firm layer, whereas endoplasm is comparatively inner granular mass. If you observe endoplasm carefully, we can again demarcate two parts. Outer layer is relatively firm, which is known as plasma gel. Inner mass is comparatively fluid, that is known as plasma soul. So endoplasm is further divisible into plasma gel and plasma soul. Basically ये proteins दियां बनियां होंदियां. प्लाज्मा जैल ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੀਨਸ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਪੋਲੀਮਰਾਈਜ਼ ਸਟੇਜ 'ਚ ਪਈਆਂ ਨੇ, ਕੋਇਲਡ ਨੇ, ਔਰ ਪਲਾਜ਼ਮਾ ਸੋਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੀਨਸ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਅਨਕੋਇਲਡ ਸਟੇਜ 'ਚ ਪਈਆਂ ਨੇ, ਮੋਨੋਮਰ ਦੀ ਫਾਰਮ 'ਚ ਪਈਆਂ ਨੇ. ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਦਾ ਓਨਲੀ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਸ, ਅਦਰਵਾਈਜ਼ ਕੈਮੀਕਲ ਕੰਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਇਜ਼ ਸੇਮ. Then within the cytoplasm there are present different, and within the endoplasm there are present different cell organelles. And one point which is here is that this thin layer of ectoplasm is comparatively thick at the tip of pseudopodium. So ਇੱਥੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਦੀ ਇੰਨੀ thickness ਬਣਾਈ ਆ ਆਪਾਂ, ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਥੋੜੀ ਮੋਟੀ ਬਣਾਈ ਆ. So this part of the ectoplasm which is thick at the tip of pseudopodium is known as hyaline cap and it is protective in function. ਇਹਦਾ function ਕੀ ਆ? pseudopodium ਦੀ tip ਨੂੰ protect ਕਰਨਾ. So then endoplasm contains different cell organelles. ਕਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ? It has endoplasmic reticulum. ਇਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੀਆਂ ਸਿਸਟਰਨੀ ਸਮੂਥ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਣਾਈਆਂ ਨੇ. This is rough endoplasmic reticulum. There are present mitochondria. Here there are present lysosomes. These are lysosomes. Then there are present Golgi bodies. Then there are excretory crystals also which are present in the endoplasm. Then there are present different food vacuoles. These are food vacuoles containing food particles in different stages of digestion. Then there is present an important cell organelle, that is contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole is thin, it is almost spherical in shape and it is bubble like. It is about 30 to 50 millimicron in size. These cell organelles, they do not have fixed position. As the animal creeps, then cytoplasm keeps on moving, with the result of which these cell organelles, they also shift their positions. Then there is present a well-defined nucleus. Under light microscope, nuclear membrane appears to be single layered, but under electron microscope it is two layered, and here and there are present nuclear pores. It contains nearly 500 chromosomes. So this is the morphology of amoeba, whole mass of amoeba under light microscope, and this is the part of the amoeba under electron microscope to show the detailed structure. So this is all about the morphology of amoeba.